Hi, I'm Justin Ball, the founder of HammerHead Showers, the leader in all metal shower heads and accessories. We're on a mission to reinvent showering, replacing fast fashion plumbing parts built from cheap plastic with durable materials like 304 stainless steel in these products and solid brass that are built to last. All of our products are available in a variety of our industrial grade finishes. And everything here at HammerHead Showers is backed by our warranty and customer service commitment to take care of you, whether you need help with installation, troubleshooting, or any replacement parts whatsoever. Thank you for being a valued HammerHead Showers customer.